Time for a 60-second mail time. So this is from Vintage Grooming, guys, and I've been seeing a few videos on TikTok and a few other places from a few really great guys about a test wax that Vintage Grooming has been sharing with them to see what their thoughts were. However, they officially announced it for you this past weekend. However, for me, that weekend has not come yet, so I don't know the name of it. I don't know what it's supposed to be like. I know nothing about this. So let's go ahead and open this up, and I'll try to take a look at the first product first, and then we can both be surprised about that second one. The first product is the Death Grip Wax Remover in the scent of citrus. This will come in very handy when I need to remove some of the stronger waxes. The next thing that comes out of this bag is a big surprise. Bare Bones. It's called Bare Bones Mustache Wax. I'm really excited to give this one a try because, well, let's face it, Vintage Grooming knows what they're doing when it comes to mustache wax. If you like this video and you want to continue to see more unboxings like this one, make sure to do the thing. You know what it is. Until next time, as always, you have a good one.